Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog and I have for you today the new Papierre writing paper subscription of the month August. Okay, so I received this a couple days ago, but I had to work every day, so I managed to keep it closed. No spoilers. For those of you that haven't seen these videos yet, Papierre is a stationery shop run by two lovely ladies who create 6 different writing paper designs each month. They get sent out to people who subscribe to Papierre, and then you can also purchase them individually in their Etsy store later. Now I get the 24 sheet pack, so I get 4 of each design, but you can also choose 12 or more. I don't know exactly, but definitely check out their website to see all the possibilities. And you also have matching envelopes, which I get 1 of each. Now, I always tell you this, but I'm going to tell you again. I received these envelopes for free, simply because I do these videos, but all opinions are my own, and I wouldn't be doing these videos if I didn't 100% believe and support this company. Because I mean I'm a pen paler who doesn't love writing paper. Last thing I want to say is that the setup is a little bit different because I'm actually on the other side of my desk right now, and the lighting might be a little bit weird, but that's because I'm filming in the morning, and in the morning I get natural sunlight, which is absolutely lovely, but it's terrible for filming. So I moved my filming station to the other side of my desk, but the light might be a little bit weird because normally I film in the afternoon, but I have to go to work in like an hour and a half, so I thought, will there ever be a day where I don't get interrupted by batteries dying? I'm afraid not. I think because it's now the August pack, I think we're going towards fall themed stationery, because they're always a little bit early, because of course some envelopes take a couple months to ship. So I think we're going to fall, especially if I look at this little owl. They always include a cute little note with a pen pal ad on the back. I'm not going to flip it around because someone's address is on there, but there's a pen pal ad on the back. And I'll just unpack this set. Yeah, I'm definitely picking up some fall vibes, which I'm actually pretty excited for. So the first design is this beautiful like grey zigzaggy design with a little owl on top of a stack of books. Now I have Harry Potter stationery, which I keep forgetting I have and which I keep forgetting to use, but this would go perfectly with that. Absolutely adorable. It has, yeah, it definitely has Harry Potter vibes, because there's also the book that is shut with a belt. I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. And then the envelope has another beautiful zigzaggy design, and then of course the same owl. It's quite simple, but I actually quite like that. Oh, maybe, oh my goodness, I actually didn't realize, but now that I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, is it going to be fall themed, or is it going to be Halloween themed, or is it going to be both? Next up is a little, I would say witch, because it actually has the witch's hat and then a little kitty cat in the bottom. Basically a Halloween design, little witch. It's black and orange, which in all honesty is not my favorite color combination, and I do not really celebrate Halloween, nor do I craft with it, so this design is going to be sent as a gift. So I'm not going to be using that myself, quite possibly, although I do have a pen pal who would probably love that, so I might actually share that with her. The envelope is the same. Oh, it's a fishnet design. I was like wondering how can I describe this. This is a fishnet design from her tights. So we have a design that's not really my style, which is also okay, because of course I have a wide variety of subscribers who will quite possibly love Halloween. I'm just one of the few people who doesn't. Let me know in a comment down below, are you a Halloween celebrator or not? Do you do Halloween crafting or not? I'm curious, because sometimes I feel like I'm like one of the few. Next design is again Halloween. We've got a little bat, which is actually quite adorable. We've got a cute little bat in the corner, and then in the other corner has pumpkins. So sorry for my coughing the whole time. That's just because I literally just woke up and then I haven't talked yet and then this happens. So it's actually quite cute in my opinion. And then the background has some sort of sporty, starry design. I actually like this one better than this one simply because the color scheme, I don't know why I'm saying that, the color scheme is exactly the same, but because the blue, I guess, I have a thing for blue. And then the envelope is this pumpkin-y design. Maybe also because the pumpkins are smiling instead of looking creepy. That's a better thing for me. I don't like scary. And then again the bat on the back. And here you can also see the sporty starry design a little bit better. I quite like that actually. Quite like that. So there's that. I don't know. Oops. Okay, spoiler alert. I just... Oh. Okay, so far. I should have flipped it around. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this one. Oh, it's a dachshund. I never know how to pronounce that. This definitely has the fall color scheme, like orange and brown and dark green. And then a little dachshund. It has a little cart on, which is quite adorable. I actually, again, have a pen pal who has a dachshund. So this, I'm going to send this entire set to her, I think. I think she will like that. And let me find the matching envelope. It's this, it's quite simple actually. It's like a color block. And here as well, same doggy. And on the back we've got some of those colors. We're going quite fast, actually. What is this next design? Oh my god, I have a feeling that I should use all of these for that pen pal. That specific pen pal. Next up is this. It's like stages of the moon design. I usually quite like that design actually, even though I don't like do anything with it. I don't know how that works, the stages of the moon. I don't know how that influences me or the world, but I like this simple design. And then some branches and some orangey mist, almost like clouds. Let me find the matching envelope. This one. Oh, we've got a big moon on the front. I don't know if I like this design in all honesty. The colors are not really my style. So far, I have to admit, this is not my favorite stationery pack from Papierre because I usually love most of their designs, but these are just not my style, which is also okay. Like, I don't want to sound super negative because I'm not. It's just, I already knew that Halloween theme isn't going to be my style, so then it's very hard for them to like change my mind. Oh my god, but the last design, oh, this is good. We accidentally saved the best for last. This one, definitely my style. It's quite dark, but it's so pretty. We've got like the base, like this reminds me of a dried floral bouquet or something. We've got flowers, we've got leaves, we've got branches, we've got a rose. Absolutely gorgeous, and the envelope is even prettier. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, the back also has a design. So this actually does make me very happy. This is the type of fall themed designs I was hoping for, and Halloween just isn't my thing, but yeah, that's what you get, right? You cannot always get what you want. So my favorite, 100% this one. The second one, definitely the owls. Actually quite adorable. Then the pumpkins and the bat. That's also quite cute. And then these, I will actually probably send these to pen pals or to people like as a gift so that someone else can use them. I just have to find the right people for these designs. So that is already it. I went through quite quickly, but that's okay as well. I mean, sometimes I dwell, sometimes I don't. I hope you enjoyed this video nonetheless. Let me know in a comment down below which is your favorite design. Do you celebrate Halloween? Do you like Halloween decorations? I wouldn't be offended if you don't, because I don't. I hope no one gets offended by me, and I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. I hope you get some time to write some letters, and we'll talk soon. Bye bye.